Hi, teacher. Good night. Hi, my name is Andres Felipe Nieto Cristancho. I was born in Bogota. I speak Spanish. I am 26 years old and now I live in Villavicencio. Villavicencio is a great city. Very great. I work in a sales supervisor in a company, a foods company, and study in the industrial energy. I work in the morning and study at night. I also go to my dog to the park. In the morning, I like to have coffee with break until go to work. I have lunch on the street. I organize my room in the morning. In the night, I wash my work uniform. I live in the Rosa Blanca neighborhood near the Viva Shopping Center. Thanks. Good night. Bye, teacher.